Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix this coffee grinder. Um, Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to yourself or to your coffee grinder. These are videos for education purpose only. Also be careful because make sure if you put your hand inside, make sure it's not connected to the power, okay? What happened is that this machine was working fine, but then one day it stopped working, and right now it doesn't grind anymore. So let me show you. You see, I already connected to the power over there. And when I press the start button, it doesn't grind. Right here is the start button. It doesn't do anything. This is to stop, but this is to start. So what I think it happens, I hope so, that it has a lot of coffee inside and it's stuck. If there is some coffee over there, as you can see. Maybe it's stuck over there, but I'm not sure. So I hope it's the coffee that is just stuck in there, and that's why it doesn't work. Because if after removing the coffee doesn't fix the problem, then I'm going to take it apart and check what's the problem. But so let me see. Okay, hold on 1 second. Make sure when you put it in a table because it's really heavy. It's very heavy, and also put a towel on your table so that way you don't scratch your table. Okay. Also, I have this container just to if it works, then I'm gonna put the coffee that is inside here. Okay. So let me just. I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to. Flip it over, and try to remove the coffee that is inside here, and let's see if that fixes the problem. Okay, as you see, I just lay it down right there. So now let's go and see here. So this one opens. Okay, so let me make sure I disconnect the power. Okay. So I'm gonna disconnect the power so now I can insert my hands and remove the coffee that is inside. Okay, you see right here is some coffee. So I hope that's the problem. I hope so. Because sometimes you get stuck right there. Okay, so let me put the coffee here. Make sure the power is disconnected, okay? I love this grinder because I like to drink fresh coffee every morning. So I got this one years ago. It's really nice. It's like a heavy duty. That's why I bought it because I love coffee a lot. So now let's flip it back. Okay, I just put it back, and then I connect the power back also, power cord. So now let's try it again. Okay, so I got a container just in case it's working. So the coffee goes there. Okay, so let's wish me luck. Okay, wish me luck. Oh, there you go. See, guys. It's so let's stop it here. Yeah, it was the coffee that was inside. Sometimes it happens, but I'm glad that I was able to fix it and show you that sometimes you don't need to take apart this or take it to the shop because sometimes it could be expensive. So let's put this coffee over there and let's see. Okay, let's close this one. Now let's start. Right, that's nice. Now we're back in business with my coffee grinder for every morning. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe. I try to fix everything I can. Wherever I can, I try to fix it. Okay, so please give me a like, subscribe, check my other videos. Have a great day.